by the sun, fast and tiny, although it rotates quite slowly. It looks like our moon, gray with craters, with names like Alvin Ailey. But don't be fooled, it's not the moon. Neil wouldn't land despite how rocky it may be. The atmosphere's too thin, temperature's extreme. You would either freeze or turn into roast chicken. The sun would look huge, but there are no moons and no seasons, just magnetic tornadoes of doom. Venus is a goddess of love and beauty. Her atmosphere is like the sun's, but a smear of light. A hot surface with winds, yellow clouds, sulfuric acid, with mysterious dark streaks painted on a wind. Could there be life? Could there be a force within? They seem to absorb ultraviolet radiation. With active volcanoes, her landscape burns with a fiery passion. Sunrises west, sets east as myriads Altargarian. Venus is a planet of what might have been. Our long past lava-covered Earth twin, with Ishtar and Diana, a deep canyon, moving on to the one that we live in. Tierra's Earth, there's many different names for people here. Earth means ground, though most of our planet is covered in water. There are mountains, valleys, volcanoes, canyons, earthquakes, tectonic plates, oceans, beaches, vegetation, 4 seasons due to the tilt of a single moon, a satellite, which, by the way, had volcanoes. A collision caused it to form. It controls tides, the brightest object in the night sky. Our atmosphere made of N2 and O2 help us breathe. It protects us from meteoroids and UV rays like a shield, if we care for it. So